Hello. In this video, we are going to learn how to find circumference of a circle. Circumference is nothing but perimeter. We already learned in previous videos how to find the perimeter of a circle and the square. Here, we are going to find the circumference of a circle. As I said, perimeter is nothing but circumference. Circumference is nothing but perimeter. Don't get confused. When you hear, for the circle especially, if it is a circumference calculation or perimeter calculation, both would be the same. To find a circumference of circle, first of all, we need either radius or the diameter of the circle. We'll learn about the radius and the diameter in a couple of moments. If it is given radius, then to find the circumference, the formula is c is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is represented as c. The formula is c is equal to pi r, where pi is a mathematical constant. The pi value approximately equals to 3.14149. We will learn about pi in future, but just make sure that you remember the value of pi, that is nothing but 3.14159. In this formula, r is nothing but radius of the circle. So as I mentioned, we have to have either radius or the diameter. If it is a radius, circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. That is a formula. But in a given scenario, the diameter that is represented as a d instead of radius, you have to use the formula C is equal to pi d. As I mentioned, pi is nothing but a mathematical constant. The value of pi is 3.14159. You must remember the pi value. Let's get into the graphical representation of radius, diameter, and the circle. If the line, any line, the circle is divided into half, right? The radius is 1/4 of the circle covers, right? From center point, it covers any of the side. Either it goes from center to here, or center to here, or center to here. But when it comes to radius, it covers both ends of the circle. It splits in, but it has to go through center part of the circle. So this is called diameter. In general sense, radius, if you multiply radius or the 2 times of the radius is nothing but a diameter. So the thing is, if you have a diameter from here to here, and if you pull from here to here, that will become a full diameter. So if we make half of the diameter, it will become a radius. So half size of the diameter is nothing but radius. 2 times of the radius is nothing but a diameter. That's where I mentioned diameter is nothing but 2 times of the radius. So we already learned circumference is nothing but represented as a c. When on a given scenario, if radius has given, the formula is 2 pi r. If the diameter has given, the formula is phi d. Let's try to find the circumference of circle when using the given radius. So in this scenario, the problem is, what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10 meters? Given scenario, the radius is 10 meters, and we have to find the circumference of a circle. So let's apply the formula and try to find the solution. So the question is, what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10 meters? Solution. What we have a circle with a radius of 10 meters. So when in a given scenario, if we have the radius value, we have to apply the formula, that is the circumference of a circle, that is C, that is nothing but 2 pi r. Let's see how the graphical representation is going to looks like. So what we have a radius. How much is the radius? The radius is 10 meters. So as I mentioned, the radius touches from one edge to the center of the circle. That is half of the diameter. So the thing is here, the radius is 10 meters. So for the given formula, it's 2 pi r. Now let's substitute the values. So for C, here C is nothing but 2 pi r, 2 is a consistent. Pi, we already know the value of pi is 3.14159 times of the radius value is 10. That is nothing but 62.8318. Let's revise the given problem and the solution, how we approached it. So in this scenario, the given problem is what is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10 meters? So what we got is radius of 10 meters. What we need to find is circumference of a circle. And the formula we have when we have given radius value, the C is nothing but 2 pi r, where the 2 is a consistent and the pi value is 3.14159 and the given circle radius that is nothing but r, that is 10, the value is 10. So if you multiply all the values, the circle's circumference is 62.8318 meters. Okay, it's time to find a circumference of a circle with a radius of 5 meters. Please take a pen and paper and try to find the circumference of a circle where the radius of the circle is 5 meters. It's time to find the circumference of circle for the given diameter value. So in this scenario, the question is, what is the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 8 meters? What we have is 80 meters of a diameter. What we need to do is we need to find the circumference here. For the given mathematical problem, we have to find the circumference of a circle. So what we have here, a diameter of a circle that is 8 meters. So to apply the right formula and find the circumference of a circle. So when we have the diameter of a circle, when we have to find the circumference of a circle, the formula is pi d, as where the d is representation of the diameter. So in this solution, we have to substitute the value of d, that is nothing but diameter, that is nothing but 8 meters. So let's get into the graphical representation of the overall mathematical problem which we try to solve here. What we got the diameter. The diameter, as I mentioned, that connects the both ends of the circle, which is passing through the center of the circle. And the radius, which is going to passing to the center, but which is going to connect only one side of the circle. So the 2 times of the radius, in the sense radius plus radius is always equivalent to the diameter, but half of the diameter is the radius. So in our case, for the circumference formula to find the circumference, that is C is nothing but pi d. So where the C is 3.14159 and the D is 8 meters. So when we multiply 8 into 3.1415, the pi value, the answer is 25.13272 meters. Let's revisit the mathematical problem which try to solve and see how we applied all the values and formulas. So the request is finding a circumference of a circle where the diameter is 8 meters of a circle. So given circle diameter is 8 meters, formula to find the circumference of a circle, C is nothing but pi d, and where when you substitute the values, pi is nothing but 3.14159 and the diameter value is 8, the overall The circumference of circle is 25.13272 meters. Okay, it's your time to solve this problem on your own by applying the formula pi d, as we mentioned. The circumference of a circle when given diameter, you have to use the formula C is nothing but pi d. So in this case, you have to solve this problem where the circumference of a circle, find the circumference of circle where diameter is 6 meters. Good luck. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.